Howdeedoo! Ben Coaton here again. Welcome back to another video. And in this video we are unboxing my tenor ukulele. Let's go and have a look. Here we are unboxing the tenor ukulele. Let's have a look what's inside. So we were just delivered 2 minutes ago. We've got a bit of packaging and we've got a box inside a box. Let's get rid of this box. And what do we have? Coaton ukulele, born for music, live for music. Very good. So we've got a carrying handle there, doesn't weigh much. Opening her up, we have case with a ukulele in it, I hope. We have a little bag of accessories. So what should we do first? Accessories, I think. We have ukulele guitar picks. Oh, and another packet of ukulele guitar picks. A ukulele strap. Cool. Let's have a look what's in here. One, just one in there, okay. And a funky felt pick. We have some strings. We have a cleaning cloth. We have a chord diagram sheet and Coaton how to play the ukulele quick start guide. Right, well that's wonderful. So inside this gig bag we have a ukulele with some batteries, 2 batteries for the tuner and the preamp, and in this soft bag we have a tenor ukulele. So this is the all mahogany solid top tenor ukulele. It's obviously not in tune, so there we are. It all looks very nice. There's the tuner and the preamp. Nice little bird bridge. So there we are. Thanks for watching this unboxing video. Check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel for more videos coming very soon. Be nice to each other. Bye bye.